What's up, Answer? What's up, everyone? So today, I am going to be washing my motorcycle. Look, this is my little motorcycle, and it's pretty dirty. You can tell. All right, look, guys. This is how dirty it is. It's really dirty. Let me show you the other side. Oh, it's so dirty. All right. So the tools I'm Alright, Answer. So I'm done with cleaning my washing my motorcycle. And look, this is going to be the reveal. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Look, guys. The tires are really bad, so it was kind of hard to clean all that and stuff. So alright, guys. So I put that on top because the chickens get on top and poop. So yeah. Alright, guys. So I just wanted to say that of washing. Today's video is about washing my motorcycle, and yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye, peace, please subscribe. But yeah, guys, and I'm gonna put the before and after. So yeah, look, this is the before, guys, and this is the after. Alright, guys, again, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye, peace, please subscribe, and yeah, peace. And you can go to my TikTok. It's called Ampola21, and yeah, peace.